Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty McKean from Nail Nails. In this video, we are going to do Valentine's nails. I wonder how many Valentines I'll get.
Keep wondering.
No. Yeah, no. I'll get none again.
I bet you do. From creeps.
Yeah, I still get the funny Snapchats that I don't really want. Got another one the other day. Don't want that one, thank you very much. So yeah, it's Valentine's. So we're going to do some gorgeous heart designs. Super easy. So let's get cracking. So the colour that I'm going to use for the base colour is called Candy Apple. This, in my opinion, is one of the best reds because it is super pigmented. And you'll see this. Look at that. And I am only going to put one coat of that on. Oh my days, look at that. Right, I'm going to pop that in the lamp. I'm only doing one coat because I'm going to put something else on top. Got a new colour. It's called Siren. Look at the sparkle of Siren. It's super jam-packed with glitter. Look at that. So I'm going to do a coat of that. I'm going to do it super thin. I don't want it to add bulk to the nail. You can see when you put it on, it appears quite rough because there's that much glitter in it. So you can see that I am dragging this down. Look at the angle of my brush, it's very high. If I want something on quite thick, I'll come quite low. But if I want it quite thin, I'll come high with my brush so I can get it as thin as possible. And you can put this on nice and thin because there's a lot of glitter in it. So once the glitter's on, I'm just going to make sure the edges are neat. And I'm going to pop that into the lamp. Now you will have noticed the surface is not smooth because of all the glitter. So we're going to top coat that and we're going to give it 2 top coats because I want it super smooth.
Super smooth.
Super smooth. Like you've just shaved your legs, that's smooth. So that's the first top coat, and sort of let it settle a little bit and it'll go slightly smoother because it'll self-level. And then I'm going to use, let me show you the full pack. Now the full pack looks like this. Now in here there are love hearts. Can you see? Oh, you can see how pretty here on the little lid. And these little crosses as well. And I'm going to use the large hearts. I think we can get away with probably using that size as well. Nothing smaller than that. Now they're very pretty as they are. They look lovely encapsulated inside acrylic. Look lovely like that. That's not what we're actually going to use them for today. We're going to do something a little bit different. So you're going to get your top coat. This is the second layer of top coat. So this will make it even smoother. But also what we're going to do, we want a generous layer of top coat. Then we're going to pick up the hearts. Place them into the top coat. Oh, didn't want that one, I just want one. We're going to look down this nail. And what I want to make sure is that I have enough top coat to sit right next to the hearts. And all I need to do is just add a little bit there. And then I'm going to pop that into the lamp. And then what we're going to do is grab the edge of the... Look at that. Look at that.
Right, I'm going to have to push in on the top so I can see properly.
So grab the edge, give it a flick, and look what it leaves. It leaves the love hearts. Where's that one go? Just see if I can prepare it. So we've prepared that one, and I think it's a cool design because it's subtle, but it's very cool. Look at that. I like the fact that it's textured as well.
Yeah, you just get to see them in certain
light, and they just capture the light. So it's a similar technique to the diamond nail that we did, this sort of facet nail that we did. But this is a lot easier.
I don't know, like.
Oh, I do think this is very easier. I'm thinking we need some stones on it though.
I thought it was supposed to be subtle.
Just a few here. Just a few stones. How cool is that? I love it. It's like, it's one of them. Pew, 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 pew. I love it. Easy peasy. There you are, guys. Hope you have a fabulous Valentine's Day, and I hope you can recreate this design for those lovely Valentine's people out there who are probably going out on swanky nights out, you know, with the boyfriends and that. Maybe I'll have a boyfriend by the time this video comes out. You can send your Valentine's cards too. I'm only joking. Everything I've used today will be listed below as always. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!